I concentrated on marketing and business development. My dad's still at the helm of the managing the business. But masasabi ko, I will focus on my passion. Sabi ko, hindi ako marunong magluto, pero marunong ako magluto ng konsepto. Because I think I'm good in developing
Creative.
concept, create by profession, I'm a graphic artist, a photographer. So, nasa art talaga ako. Pero malakas lang talaga akong kumain, Sir Tony. Alam ko masarap, kaya madali kong
So,
ma-decipher.
mabuti at growing up ay hindi naman umiba doon sa linya ng hanapbuhay ni Daddy yung interest mo.
Nanggaling kasi kami sa mahirap talaga po eh. Parang my dad is an employee, my mom is may nagsasari-sari store kami nung araw eh. So, parang wala akong pattern to follow. 'Di ba? Parang kapag ang tatay ko hindi naghanap buhay na natuloy na kusinero, malamang naging kusinero lang din po ako, parang gano'n. Hindi ko minamaliit po yung mga kusinero, but that is the typical follow through na nangyayari sa mga anak papunta sa magulang. So when I realized, sabi ko, I had this passion of developing, creating something out of marketing, fun. Kasi ako, everything that I do po, kailangan masaya eh. Kasi that's my passion eh. Pag hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, what's the use of doing it? Parang ganun po.